is a slow machine. It's I think it's like a 1 gigahertz Athlon. I don't remember the password on this thing. I have to download some drivers for it. Got the same network card in it though, so we should be able to get out on the internet and go download them. It's just blank. Try a couple. Come on. It's not taking it. Well, I have to call him and get the password for it. Couldn't get a hold of him to get the password, but passwords aren't a problem. We'll zap the administrator password. This is UBCD again. File System Tools. I think it's on NTFS Tools. Yeah, offline NT password and registry editor. Alright. Partition 1. Okay. And we want to password reset. Default is 1. Alright, now we've got our passwords. We want to defaults to administrator. We're going to zap the administrator one. Enter. No, we don't have to do the bell count. We'll do an asterisk, which means blank. We'll do asterisk. Yes, we want to change it. And then that's it. Escape. Oh. No. Yeah. It's going through it again, but we'll just do it again. Yes. Alright. Exclamation point. Let's quit. Now we gotta be sure to save. It doesn't do anything to it unless you save it. So do a Q, quit. Do it, be sure to press Y. Alright. Now it's done. Nope. Control. Do a reset. Shoot. Bring it back up. Take the CD out. This is a Athlon 1050 megahertz, 256 RAM. But it just sits there and runs. I don't think they really even do anything on this thing. When I did the ghost image, Only like 2.9 gigabytes of space is being used on this drive. So they're not using it for much. Just coming up. This will work for XP also. Should work for Vista too. So we can change that to administrator. Blank password. Machine is up. So I'm gonna load drivers and then this thing will be ready for me to take back. In case anybody was wanting to know where I got the CD that I used, that's the CD I used earlier to recover this hard drive on this machine. It's called UBCD. You just open up Google, type in UBCD. First hit is the right one, Ultimate Boot CD. The version I'm using is actually about a year old. They may have some new programs in the latest version, but just a boot CD. It's not much of a download. There normally isn't. Let's see. But this is the list of everything that it's got on it. It's got CPU tests, CPU burn-in, Mersenne prime test, stress CPU. It's got mem test, CD-ROM identification, parallel port, Intel processor frequency ID, processor identification utility, x86 test, all kinds of system information, benchmark tools, BIOS tools, hard disk installation tools, hard disk diagnostics tools, a little list of them, hard disk device management tools, hard disk wiping tools, hard disk cloning tools, hard disk low-level editing tools, partition tools, boot managers, file tools, NTFS tools. There's the password registry editor. You can download, if you just want this, you can actually download this offline, NT password and registry editor. I used to carry it around on a floppy disk, but now that I got this UBCD, it's included. It's got a bunch of other stuff. Got antivirus tools, network tools, boot disk. So, if you just went over here, download UBCD, go ahead and download it because I don't have this version. I don't know what version I'm running. ISO image is 115 megabytes. All those tools are 115 megabytes.